Traditional browsers slow you down. Endless tabs, messy searches, and no smart help when you actually need it. But this browser does things differently. Meet the Neo browser, an AI-native browser that understands what you want, adapts to your workflow, and turns your browsing into pure productivity. Let me show you how it transforms your browsing experience. This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First, search for the Neo browser and click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the official homepage of the Norton Neo browser, an AI-native browser designed to deeply understand its users. Neo is not just fast or smart, it actually interprets what you want, offering seamless, intelligent navigation and adapting to your workflow in real time. In today's video, we will explore some of the most useful features of this browser and test them. To get started with Neo, you first need to sign up on the website by entering your name and email address. The download link for the browser will be sent to your inbox. After downloading and installing Neo, simply open the browser to access the main interface. The front page features the magic box prominently, where you can search, type URLs, paste references, or chat directly with Neo AI. Once everything is set, we will begin by entering our first prompt and exploring how Neo responds. I will ask Neo to search for the best low-rate hotels in Dubai for my trip and help me book one. Along with this prompt, I am also adding a few hotel preferences, such as clean and safe properties, good guest reviews, free Wi-Fi, and a request to show the 3 cheapest total price options. Once the prompt is ready, we click on the chat option. As soon as we do that, you'll notice something interesting. Neo automatically recognizes that this is not a regular search query. It's a full AI request. So instead of performing a standard Google search, it instantly switches into AI mode and begins processing the request through the Neo AI model. Within a few seconds, Neo provides results from 3 different Dubai hotels, complete with prices, cancellation policies, and direct booking links. You can simply click on any of the booking links and it takes you to the respective page where you can enter your location, check-in dates, and number of guests to confirm availability. Next, let's switch to the search feature. This time, I'll type AI News in the magic box. Neo immediately understands that this is a standard web search query, so instead of AI mode, it performs a regular Google search. The results appear just like a normal search engine, and now we can browse websites, read articles, and explore the latest AI updates. This seamless switching between AI mode and search mode is one of the most powerful features of the Neo browser. On the top right corner, you'll find an option called New Chat. This section is fully content-aware, meaning Neo analyzes whatever website you currently have open and automatically generates relevant questions and shortcuts. For example, if you open a news article or a research page, Neo will instantly show useful AI-generated questions about that content. You can choose any of these or simply type your own prompt, such as, "Summarize this website." Neo instantly creates a clean and concise summary of the page you're viewing, saving you the effort of scrolling and reading everything manually. Now let's head into settings to explore Neo's privacy and security features. Inside the autofill and password section, you can save your passwords just like in any other modern browser. Under the Privacy and Security tab, you get various options such as disabling third-party cookies, deleting browsing data, and most importantly, enabling the built-in ad blocker. This blocks all types of ads and can be customized based on your preference. For safe browsing, Neo gives you 3 protection levels: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, and No Protection. Enhanced Protection is ideal if you want stronger online security. And if you prefer fine-grained control, the Advanced Settings section lets you configure everything in detail. Next, we will demonstrate some of Neo's most useful productivity features using Google Scholar. Let's search for research papers on artificial intelligence. Once the search results appear, we can hover over any result and a small icon will appear. Clicking it reveals 2 powerful tools, Peek and Summarize. The Peek feature lets you preview the content of any web page without fully opening it, which is extremely helpful when you're quickly scanning research papers or filtering through multiple articles. If you want a quick overview instead of reading the full page, you can use the Summarize option, which instantly generates a short, accurate summary of the web page. This saves massive amounts of time when working through research materials or academic content. Once you find a useful source, you can open it fully with a single click. Now let's move to Gmail, where I will show you how Neo helps with writing and rewriting content. Here I have an email thread for a tool I'm subscribed to. I want to write a message requesting to unsubscribe from the service. Write an email requesting unsubscribing from this tool. Neo instantly generates a complete, well-structured email which I can directly insert into the email box with one click. I only need to add my name or account details before sending it. If I want to change the purpose of the email, for example, upgrading my subscription plan, I can simply enter another prompt like, "Rewrite this email for plan upgradation." Neo rewrites the entire message professionally and accurately, perfectly tailored to the new context. And just like that, the rewritten email is inserted directly into our message box, and we can send it instantly. Neo isn't limited to helping with emails alone. The typing assistant also works across forms, social media posts, and even comments, without needing any plugins or extensions. Now let's explore another powerful capability. I will enter a prompt, "Explain quantum physics as if I am 10 years old." Neo responds with a simple, friendly explanation that a child could easily understand. Since I like this explanation style, I want Neo to remember it. I simply tell it to remember this explanation style. And as you can see, Neo saves it as a kid-friendly, simple explanation style. To test the memory feature, I'll enter another prompt. "Explain the theory of relativity." Neo immediately responds in the same easy, kid-friendly tone. This proves that its memory system is working perfectly and can adapt explanations based on your saved preferences. As you can see, we currently have many tabs open. In most browsers, this becomes chaotic and hard to manage, but Neo handles it brilliantly. It automatically organizes tabs into smart groups based on topics or tasks. It can collapse inactive groups, suggest closing old sessions, and keep your workspace clean and focused. This ensures that your mind stays organized and productive no matter how many tabs you're working with. Neo doesn't just manage your tabs intelligently, it also takes privacy and security very seriously. Neo's privacy system is built directly into its architecture. Your data flow is always clear. You know exactly what is stored locally on your device and what, if anything, is processed in the cloud. Every AI-generated summary clearly shows its source, and the browser uses hybrid isolation so that complex AI tasks are processed securely without attaching them to your personal identity. Neo also supports true data deletion, meaning when you clear your data, it is permanently removed rather than archived somewhere in the background. This concludes our complete walkthrough of the Neo browser. If you want to try it out for yourself, I've added the official website link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future content.